Why don't we go ahead and jump on the install? I am gonna go ahead and be throwing in this Kiggly HLA. So this really is all it is. It's just two pieces. It is gonna be replacing the OEM oil distribution block. The two pieces are this guy right here. It is the distribution plate. It allows the oil to flow through the head, and then this guy right here is the regulator body. But with that, I'll throw on a time lapse and let's jump on getting this guy off. No, I'm not saying that anymore. I was gonna stop saying getting this guy off. Let's get this valve cover off. This guy right here, this is the one we're going to be replacing. So it is just 3 10mm bolts. Just gonna go ahead, try and just gently clean this off. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw the distribution plate onto the head. And just so everybody knows, there is no sealant that goes on here. It is just the torque. Going back in here, and it's 8 foot-pounds is the torque. And just like that, it's in. It's gonna keep the head at a constant 15 PSI oil pressure for like, I don't know, under 200 bucks I think it was. Just for insurance, might as well get it and throw it in. And so that's pretty much all I got in this one. So if you guys do like the content, if you're finding value in it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, throw me a like. Until the next one, peace out, keep wrenching.